In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HP monitor to MacBook Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use any HP monitor with any model of MacBook. Even though I'm going to be talking about the MacBook Pro specifically in this video, these same instructions will apply for any other model of MacBook, MacBook Air, regardless of the chip, and so on. In order to establish this connection, primarily, you will be doing it using an HDMI cable. So, for 90% of users, I believe that you will have a modern HP monitor with an HDMI port. If yours doesn't have an HDMI port, I'm going to talk about what to do later, but this is going to be the most straightforward approach to get this connection established. You will grab a standard HDMI cable, plug one end of the cable into the HP monitor, and the other end goes into the HDMI port available on your MacBook. If your MacBook model doesn't have an HDMI port, then you will need an adapter, usually USB to HDMI. Either way, just find a way to establish a connection. You can use adapters if needed. If you have a very old HP monitor that doesn't have an HDMI port, but you have something like VGA, then once again, you just need to grab the proper adapters. You will use a VGA cable, and to connect it to your MacBook, you need to use an adapter that's going to convert the port on the MacBook to VGA. So just grab the proper cables and establish a connection as needed. But like I said, for 90% of users, I believe that it is going to be as simple as using any old HDMI cable. Plug one end into the MacBook, the other one into the HP monitor. As soon as the connection is established, power on both devices. Make sure that you choose HDMI as the source on the HP monitor, and also make sure that it is receiving external power, usually from a power supply that you plug into a power outlet. With all of those requirements met, the image on your MacBook will be converted over to the monitor. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.